Hi, good morning. Saturday morning 11 a.m. हुइसे आरो इदु मतलब mutual funds ला कथा करबो. আমি গানবা for many weeks mutual funds laga topics naga means de ani ase and mutual fund to ekta vast topic ase to every Saturday it laga chutu chutu part korna moiba ani gana share kore because mutual fund ami gan laga portfolio de investment portfolio de itu laga ekta important role ase ami khan investments khan korish kole manu khan bishi pura diversification de mutual funds to tahan para opt kore hulibi itu ami gan para bhal information nathage gena investing koribole jaishu gole ami khan investment do kiman return generate koribole paribo iman tak nukuribole bi pare. Okay, so itu garne informed decision lobole karne ami khan every Saturday moi ahe aro mutual funds la kotha kore. To eniga hi aji laga topic to ase how liquid are mutual funds. First of all, muna naam Sheetal Gurung ase aur moi debt free expert from Women on Wealth community. Ami khan laga community to ekta maiki khan laga community ase aur yate khiniga nijor laga paisa manage koribo nijor hikigina investing koribo aro ami han laga paisa grow hoa sabo to itu ami khan ba kore aro aji laga topic to shuru koribo ne saying a quick hi to Jayashri Janaki. Thank you guys for joining in. First and foremost, liquidity ki ase itu bujibole lage. Liquidity matlab kiman joldi kiman easily ami khan bra investments khan do cash te convert koribole paribo itu ase liquidity. Sob investments khan liquid na thake. For example, real estate loishugule real estate to iman liquid no hoy matlab itu ke ami khan bra cash te convert koribole overnight koribole na pare. In some cases साल भी लगे बोले भी पारे ना किनी बोले मनु ही ना पाए शिगुली दो इतो investment to cash टाइम में convert करना पड़ेगा. So that's one thing. And on the other hand, आमी खान बा invest आमी ला पैसा तो savings bank account दे रखी शिगुले आमी खान बरा जल्दी बरा तो cash तो आमी खान बा उला बोले पारे, which means it is highly liquid. Okay. Now aro for example certain mutual funds bhi hobi noile fixed deposits kan bhi hobi kono bato maybe overnight lage paisa cash to pai holi bhi maybe one day laga wait bhi thagi bole parebo. So itu kitia hoy that means you can see ATM ba paisa fat par withdraw koribo highly liquid aro kono ba mutual fund maybe ami khan aji withdraw korole koshish koribo aro kali tak noile porso tak paisa do ahibo amela bank account e which means maybe one day 2 days laga wait ase to not as liquid as a savings bank account na aro moi ba pula example dia nichina real estate 6 months bi lagi bole parebo maybe 6 years bi lagi bole parebo kunba jane na. So very degree of liquidity is very low. So and that's exactly what happens with mutual funds. Mutual funds overall liquidity high ase matlab convert koribole to ke redeem koribole bishi time na lage holi bi degree of liquidity itu dibi ase and itu karone moi kotha korbo two types of category of mutual fund thake. Itu amui bra all of episodes age dibi cover korishe. One is open ended mutual funds. Open ended mutual funds matlab it's open kite bhi ahege na kini bole parebo units of mutual fund aru kite bhi to units of bikai gena ami kan ba paisa to redeem korole parebo. So liquidity debi mutual funds khan liquid ase koile bi another factor you may want to consider is open ended fund ase na close ended fund ase. Okay, so I will add more and I will take a moment and say hi to Vidya. Thank you for joining in, and Jay Kamburai who is watching this. Awesome job guys, thank you for joining. And now let's continue the discussion. Open ended mutual fund. Did you know there is something called as open-ended mutual fund, by the way? Okay, if you did not know, put it in the comment. Thank you so much. Deepika Gupta is also watching. Hi. So ito do video do maximum we were Nagamese to kurubu. There's going to be a mix of Naga English, so mix of Nagamese aro English. Okay, so apuni gan bra Nagamese bujishi kuile, to this is for you. So one, open-ended mutual fund units to kitia hulibi kinibo bikabole parabo. So liquidity do high thake because it units mutual fund kina dan the units te pai na, it units to member redeem korishe matlab units to dibo aro cash to ami an pabo na. Aro open-ended mutual fund de anytime entry exit koribole parabo. Okay, to itu matlab again liquidity high ase. Then usually open-ended mutual funds khana member redeem korishigule 1 to 3 days tak aitu redemption to hobo. Okay, so overnight no hobuli bi pare, but 1 to 3 days iman bishi din do no hai waiting period to bank account te paisa ayule, right? Itu karne itu laga liquidity do iniga ase itu laga. Then of course ami gamba kitia exit koribo mutual funds pra kunoba mutual funds te exit load bi lage aro apni an kunoba naya ase or exit load nubuji shikule. Exit load just means ami khan bra etu contract ishina thake to mutual fund logot moi ba iman lamba time at least iman time karne to rakhibo enika understanding big ta thakibo. So usually within 1 year 365 days bhitor de hi ami anba ulai shikule do exit load takhan ba company khan ba charge kore, because itu kili charge kore of course they want to encourage that paisa do lamba time karne encourage korule mon ase manuhan gi rakhi di bole na invested thagi bole. To ami ba juldi ulai shikule takhan ba chuto percentage ekta charge kore, usually between 0 to 2% inika charge kore hulibi. Liquidity to ase. Liquidity means easily redeem and get your cash in your account. To ito exit load to ni mundi rakhibole paribo apni ganbar na aro check korle parbo acha kiba percentage deduction hobo na lo hobo iniga na. To ito ase aro open ended fund se lock in nai. Lock in the again another feature. It's like a contract. I mean, especially equity linked schemes kan loi shikule tax saving benefit laga loi shikule do mutual funds te bi ELSS asra ELSS ito tax saving karne manobar loi aru tax saving korne loi shikule at least 3 years to rakhibule lage, which means 3 years laga lock in thake. So another term apni naya ase bole lock in means kiman time karne minimum ami khan la paisa do ami anbar rakhi boli hi lage company la ulla boli na paribo. Here also itu factor de ase open ended te lock in nai, that's a good thing. Okay, but by chance probably an ELSS type of mutual fund loi na ase lock in thake. So you can see that paisa withdraw korle the pare huli bi lock in laga bahare beyond the lock in period to again easily redeem koribole parabo, liquidity thake, otherwise takhan bra redemption be allow no kore. That's a condition. Okay, so you sign up to it, right? So ito mundi rakhibo lage. Then open ended laga opposite ase close ended mutual funds. Usually close ended mutual funds matlab itu takhan bra new fund offer ulai, naya fund ekta khuli shikule itu naya fund ula dem de ami gan ba ghushi bole pare shikule invest kori shikule again itu maturity nupung ja tak to takhan bra ami gan ke paisa to redeem korle ni de. Again itu feature ase of close ended mutual fund, right? To itu karne ami gan bra anytime open ended fund nishina gushibo ulabo inia koribole na pare, hence liquidity de olop impact thakibole parebo, right? Hulibi itu mutual funds khan tahan la kitia maturity punji itu pichi to amen ba ulabole pare. Okay, redeem koribole pare. So overall mutual funds stay close ended mutual fund do liquidity to iman do nai compared to open ended na kile mane fund house by any time redemption allow no kore. Okay, ito another thing ase aro close ended mutual fund to stock exchange ti bi trade hobule pare. Stock exchange ti thagi shugule do liquidity do olop to high thaki holibe aro stock exchange kita thagibo edu availability of demand volume ki man ase itu laga upore bi dependent thake, right? So the bottom line is open ended highly liquid, close ended liquidity is low. Ito ase aro open ended te anytime entry exist. So most commonly manohan bra open ended mutual funds to low. So that is what I want to say. Okay, but overall mutual fund lower them the of course terms and conditions to bujibi na check muiba anytime redeem korle paribo na paribo. But of course that doesn't mean amigan bra anytime itu ulabole target rakhibo no. Nijor laga investments khan para tak to long term karne rakhibi because kitia long term karne rakhi to them dehi amigan bra puisa do we give our money the time to grow compounding koina puisa ba puisa bana do over a period of time hoi long period of time to itu karne itu compounding laga benefit to uthawole mona se gole do khali invest korna ulaboli na bhabibi. Okay, Warren Buffett laga video moi sai deishi kali porsu tai khan tai ba Coca-Cola laga stocks to kiman sal 1980 something de luishe ne honisha aro till date taibra ulawuli la kothai nai aro I mean ulawuli means selling la kothai nai tai laga hulibi to any to stocks to kiman kinishe rakhigena aro of course more stocks shares add kurigena niga long term karne rakhe Warren Buffett, right? Well known for that. Apni gana ji time asuguli Warren Buffett laga bi purisa bi so tai laga shares to niga ni bikai aru do shares to ni rakhigena itu laga capital appreciation hoy, right? Aru itu bra bonus bi kitaba dibo kitaba split hobo again various other things stocks te hoy to iniga se to ulabuli laga na babibi even if it is highly liquid long think long term staying invested to let your money grow and to experience the power of compounding. तो আজি लगा इतो topic थकिसे. So thank you so much. अपनी गन बरा किबा हिकी गना जाय से गुशुगुले do comment आरो इतो video तो share करिबी so that more people get access to education, financial education and informed decision making. Okay, so thank you aji aha karne aur next Saturday bi moi mutual fund laga aro ekta topic loige na aibo at 11 AM sharp. Of course don't forget throughout the week women on wealth te ki videos kan ahe sai thagi bi keep sharing aro apni laga surrounding de tha mai khan give encourage koribi financially skill up koribule because ami khan ba financial freedom lagi koishigulo to it cannot happen without financial education. Okay, so thank you and have a blessed weekend. Take care, stay safe, lots of love and lots of wealth creation to you. Have a good day. Bye bye.